So I'm expanding out my dive tools. Some general stuff. This side I think I'm gonna do mostly tools, spare brushes, multimeter and precision screwdrivers, a bunch of small parts for doing OTS regulators, some tools. Somebody stole my 1/8 inch T-handle, and I got my magnet helic in there. Over here, got a few OTS spare kits and some silicone. Battery buddy phone covers, some spare parts, generic loose spare parts, and just some spare stuff. I'm looking for ideas on how to organize it a little bit better, considering I just cleaned this toolbox up and moved it in today. I think it's not too bad off. Excuse me, good place to start with. Do you have any suggestions on what to use to make it nicely organized? Let me know.